Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Homeplace, friends. How y'all doing today? Well, y'all, in today's video, I'm just going to show you what I was doing yesterday. I told y'all I was going to be installing that refrigerator in my work truck, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did. And I ran into a little bit of a problem here, and I'm going to have to rethink this and, well, undo what I did yesterday. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So y'all, let me just show you this here first. I got my truck back and from the body shop, and I put a new bumper on it, and a new intercooler, and there's different things, new headlight assembly. Just up under here, the fender plastic all up under here had to be replaced. And well, I thought everything, pretty good, drove it away and everything. I got home and I started looking over everything, getting up under looking. I'm gonna say probably 20 between, I don't want to overestimate, at least 15 bolts was left loose that I had to go back. I had to take my intercooler loose. That wasn't right. The cover on the back of it wasn't right. It was broken. They're supposed to replace that. So I had to go back through and still waiting on the intercooler cover. I went up there. I was pretty mad about it. The body shop, they were like, I don't know, wasn't too helpful on the phone. Kind of made me mad. And I told them I was gonna let them touch my truck anymore. I didn't want nobody touching my truck to begin with, because like I say, most time people don't take pride in anything they do anymore. And that's why I try to do all my work myself. I was talking to the owner of the place, and about quality control. You want to send vehicles out of your shop, you want to make sure that your guys are doing the work correctly and everything like that. And he's supposed to talk to the guy, But anyway, y'all, that's my little fiasco with that's why I do everything myself. And I don't, it's hard for me to trust people, because when you leave bolts loose, if I was like a mechanical job, as far as some of it was mechanical, but like I say, if you was a mechanic and you left bolts loose on a vehicle, or you left a tire loose and the vehicle goes down the road and your tire falls off, you gotta be careful about, when you're working on other people's vehicles, whether you're doing it, to help somebody out, or whether, you're working in a shop, making your living working in a shop. You gotta be careful, And so I don't know. Like I said, I'm still waiting on my intercooler cover, and so hopefully they'll do the right thing and get it for me, and I'm gonna put it on myself. Because whoever installed it, man, it was completely wrong. Just like I said, I kept finding bolts loose. They're just hand tightened. Some of them's backed off. Probably 3/4 inch to an inch on 1, 2 of them. It's just like, they just like completely forgot about going back and checking over everything. This was a simple job. If I could do the paint and all that kind of stuff, I've done this whole thing myself, But anyway, I guess I got a little rant on that. But be careful who you take your vehicles to, because you just don't, people don't have to, I don't know, they don't take pride no more in the work, don't seem like. And like I say, you've got a lot of good shops, I'm sure, that's going to do it right the first time. And I've used this shop before, and that'd be the last time I use them, because like I say, I can't trust their work no more. But that's bad. But anyway, but let me get back to what I was going to show you here. Got a little sidetracked there. So what I did yesterday, I took my passenger seat out, and what I wanted to do initially, was put an inverter in here, a microwave, and this refrigerator. And so what I found out yesterday, after taking my seat out, well, the microwave idea really, it's not going to work. I'm not really going to have room. I could probably mount my inverter back here but it would take up a little bit of my room where you can put some of my bags and stuff back here. But and that microwave would sit here, but I didn't really like that idea. I want to have it kind of mounted somewhere, and this refrigerator is probably a little big for that combination. But anyway, that's not my main problem I want to talk to you about. Built this little wooden platform, got it all in there secure and everything. You can see up under here, got room for my jack, getting it in now if I need it. But lies the problem, y'all. This yellow connector here. Now I should have known that had to do with my airbag system, but you know, I hadn't worked much on the airbag systems, and what I found out, the yellow connectors has to do with you know, your airbags. So anyway, you know where this is going. I just thought that's going to be a connector for my, you know, my seat belt. Well, I said, well, ain't no big deal, you know. I just I can reconnect, I can fix that, you know, just turn that light off. Ain't no big deal on that. Well, what I didn't know, that was tied all together into my inflatable airbags. And well, I went and turned my ignition on, my airbag light came on, and my seat has all kind of sensors and stuff in it I didn't realize. And so all this work I've done here, and my idea about putting this refrigerator in my truck, well, guess what, I gotta take it out. I gotta put my front seat back in, and so this cooler is not going to be utilized in this truck anymore. Just nowhere to put it. It's too big, and that means I can't give y'all an update on, you know, longevity of it, how it lasts, how it does long term. So that's the main reason for this video, y'all. It just let y'all know this cooler right here, refrigerator, won't be going in my truck, and I'll have to find another use. I got a feeling though that this will be going in our Subaru whenever we take little vacations and stuff like that, because we're not going to be using it here. So what we normally do, I got another cooler that when I was driving the truck that I kept in my bigger truck, and we'd put that in the back of the Subaru, and put our cold food items and stuff in it. So I guess Tasha got her new little refrigerator for the car there. But that's all I want to make this video about, y'all, is just kind of show you that right there. So I know I told y'all I'll be doing a video later on, a couple months, about, you know, how the refrigerator is doing. But that video probably won't be coming now just because of that right there. A little bit of something I didn't realize about taking that front seat out. So anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and as always, friends, from my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you later. Bye bye.